So hi guys, in this video I'll be telling you how to install the latest version of MiuiSR based on EU ROM. So the prerequisites are you can be in any AOSP ROMs, and if you're in MIUI, remove your MI account. If you're any ROMs based on AOSP, then remove your Google accounts, remove your password and security, and have these two files downloaded, which is the ROM zip and TWRP. So once all of that is done, you can reboot your phone into TWRP by pressing reboot and keep on pressing the power up button until your phone boots into TWRP. So once your phone is booted into TWRP, we can go to wipe, advanced wipe, select your Dali card cache, then swipe to wipe. Once that is done, we can go to home, install, we can select our zip and deselect this option, and the MIUI SR will be coming with Orange Box Recovery pre-installed. So if you want, you can even install TWRP, which is what I'll be doing now. So do not select anything else. Now you can swipe to confirm flash. Wait for this to happen, it's gonna take some time. So the installation is done. Installation took 191 seconds. So let's go to home. So let me make it clear, this ROM includes Orange Box Recovery. So if you want Orange Box Recovery, you can directly reboot into recovery. So in my case, I don't want Orange Box Recovery and I want TWRP. So I'll be going to advanced, install recovery RAM disk, and I'll be selecting the TWRP image. This is because Orange Box Recovery sometimes doesn't show your internal storage. So we can use TWRP for that. So once that is done, we can go to home, reboot, and we can select our recovery, which will reboot our phone into TWRP recovery. So now if you had flashed Orange Box Recovery, then you have to go to the dustbin icon, then click on that and click on format data, then type in yes. So now we are in TWRP. Let's go to wipe, format data, then type in yes. Format data, then you can reboot the system. If you get any error like no was installed, it can be ignored. So guys, the ROM has booted. Let me just do a quick setup for this ROM. So guys, the setup is done, and this is how the ROM looks like. This ROM is basically based on EU ROM, so the booting is gonna cost you 10 minutes. For me, it took 13 minutes, so if the booting takes a long time, do not panic. And this ROM supports the MIUI 13 latest control center, which can be changed, I think, in settings and control panel style, and MIUI 13 control center. And you can put this to run change now. I think you need a reboot for that. Now let's put the display to 120 Hz. We even have the 90 Hz option. Still, let's use the 120 Hz. And this ROM has a wide angle V35 kernel, which is good. And the ROM is based on Android 12. So that is all for this video. A review on this ROM will be done later in this YouTube channel, so stay tuned for that video. Please like, share and subscribe. Does this video work for you? Bye.